Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tying video. Make sure to check the description box for all the details. First off, I'm going to just pour some of the bleaching powder into my mixing bowl, and then you're going to go in with your developer. In this video I'm using a 40 volume developer. You're going to take your hair and you're going to get out your brush, and you're just going to brush everything so that it's tangle free. You need to wear gloves. You need to protect your hands for this. You're just going to pour the product on the hair, and then you're going to use your hair dye brush, and you're just going to brush the dye in the bleach into place. And then I'm going to go in with my tangle teaser and I'm going to brush it thoroughly as well. I'm going to take off hair from the second part, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. Brush the hair, put some product on it, using my brush dye, mix and spread the product, use my tangle teaser and just brush everything into place. When I started doing this video, I initially wanted it to be a blonde, but at some point I just decided that I was going to leave it like this. So it is definitely okay for you to use a 10 volume developer or a 30 volume developer. I'm going to continue with the process until I reach the top, and as you can see, I'm repeating the same process. Brush, tangle teaser, brush, tangle teaser. I'm going to put in a plastic bag and leave it for 2 hours, and this is what it should look like. I went ahead and I shampooed my hair with regular purple shampoo mixed with my purple shampoo I made. I have a video on that, I'll leave in the description box. And also this is Sana shampoo. So I let my hair dry overnight and then I brushed it out. So this is what it should look like. As you can see in the video, I'm still trying to figure out if I want it very, like, I'm struggling with these flat iron curls and it's not working for me. So what I did was I just brushed everything out, and now I'm going to use my curling one. I'm going to use the really big size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair, I'm going to brush it, I'm going to take my curling one, and then I'm going to just roll the hair. I'm going to let it set, and then I'm going to pin it with some pins. I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to brush my hair, I'm going to curl the hair. I'm going to let it set, and then I pin it in place. I'm just going to repeat this process everywhere, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to leave my hair to like set overnight, and I'm just going to take out the pins in the morning. As you can see, my curls look popping and I'm here for them. I'm going to go in with some Got2b hairspray, and I'm just going to use that as my setting spray or spritz. I know that this is like really off, but I had to go in and tease my hair at the end to like customize it a little bit because the hairline was extremely dense. So I'm just going to go in and pluck my hairline by spraying some water and then using a teaser to take out some parts. I'm going to go in with pinking shears, and I'm just going to cut with my lace. If you watch all my hair tutorials, you know that my Maybelline 360 is my foundation shade, and I'm just going to use that and color my lace because I do not have time to tint my lace. I went ahead and installed the wig, but I lost the footage, so you're just going to have to deal with this one. But this is what it looks like after I installed it. It's a mess right now, but I'm just going to go in with this white tooth comb, and I'm going to comb out the curls carefully because it took me a lot of work to do this and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to use my white tooth comb and I'm just going to comb everything. I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm going to lay the top flat because for some odd reason I really like flat hair at the top. I don't know why. So I'm just going to press it into my hair and make sure that it lays flat. And then I'm going to go in with hair wax and I'm just going to put that down there so that there is no flyaways or no, in fact, hair isn't sticking out because I hate that thing. I'm going to go in with my comb again and just go through my curls using this Revolution palette. I'm going to take the dark shade and my powder foundation. I'm going to mix them and I'm just going to draw, like, I'm going to define my part with a concealer brush. As you can see, my hair is slayed. I look nice. I look popping. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. All the good stuff. Follow me on my social media and I will see you in my next video. Bye.